So hey guys, what's up? It's me Pema again, and I just uploaded this video, a simple portrait of a old man. So if you've been watching my YouTube videos, you know I'm really not good with chit chat, it's really not in my skills. And I have a lot of drawing videos, like I have recorded a lot of my drawings, but since I'm planning to upload one video per week, I'll do that, like uploading only one videos in a week, so to stay consistent, like something like that. Since I don't have any idea what to talk, let's just play a background song. And the drawing is almost finished now. Yep, this is also one kind of challenge, like I'm only using 4B pencil, I'm not using any other pencils or charcoals, but yeah, I'm using the white pencil. It's not white charcoal, it's white pencil of Faber-Castell. And few weeks ago I made a video like material review, the pencil extender. If you guys want that kind of review, then you can just say it down, and I'm gonna do that. And by the way, the drawing is almost done. And since I'm living in Japan right now, I really don't have that much time in my hands, so yep, I can only make time for one videos per week if I do a bit of editing. And yep, that's all for now. If you like the drawing, then yep, hit the subscribe button for more. And if you want tutorial videos, then yep, say it. Bye bye, meet you in my next video.